For centuries, the universe has followed laws we thought we understood. Comets glow in cyan and green, stars burn in predictable light, and asteroids drift in silence. But weeks ago, those rules shattered. The interstellar traveler known as 3E Atlas, once thought to be a harmless comet, has transformed into something no one can explain. Under the gaze of 4 powerful telescopes, its glow shifted to an unnatural crimson, a pulsating red heartbeat flashing once every 84.6 seconds. Scientists thought it was a rotation. But each pulse contained hidden variations, complex data buried in light itself, like information compressed into a heartbeat. It wasn't random. It was intelligent. Project Icarus, a secret task force at Vandenberg Space Force Base, was created overnight. Their findings changed everything. Atlas wasn't reflecting sunlight, it was producing its own light. It absorbed radar, ignored gravity, and radiated heat while its core remained near absolute zero. No comet could behave this way. It was a machine cloaked as a rock, shedding its disguise as it neared the sun. And then, it defied the pull of Mars and Jupiter entirely, gliding as though gravity itself didn't apply. The conclusion was unavoidable: 3E Atlas was under intelligent control. The deeper they looked, the stranger it became. Each pulse of red light contained mathematical ratios matching prime numbers, nature's rarest code. Different observatories saw different fluctuations, as if the object changed depending on who was watching. It wasn't communicating with humanity, it was studying humanity. The crimson light wasn't a signal, it was surveillance. Soon, Earth began to tremble in resonance. Seismographs recorded faint oscillations matching the comet's 84.6-second rhythm. The planet's crust, atmosphere, even its magnetic field seemed to vibrate in sync. Mars orbiters detected crimson auroras and quakes at the same intervals. It was as if the entire solar system was being drawn into the same frequency. Scientists warned that resonance is deadly. A glass shatters when the right sound matches its vibration. What happens when Earth itself is the glass? Meanwhile, governments began erasing public data. Spectrographs disappeared. Solar weather reports were rewritten. And silence replaced explanation. Yet leaks revealed more. Radar showed the crimson glow scanning space in precise arcs, as if searching or waiting for something to respond. Others whispered that the signal wasn't meant for us at all, but for others, an interstellar flare announcing that intelligent life had been found here. Then came the echo. Listening arrays detected the same heartbeat, but from empty space between Earth and Mars. Something else was there, invisible, mirroring Atlas's pulse. Was it a companion craft, or the fabric of space itself bending to relay the signal? No one could tell. Theories spiraled. A galactic beacon warning of danger, a machine seeding worlds, or a test measuring how we react to the impossible. Scientists who studied the data too long reported strange dreams, visions of alien skies and crimson horizons. Brain scans showed faint synchronization with the comet's pulse, as if its rhythm was entering human consciousness. The line between observer and observed had vanished. And while the public slept beneath calm announcements, the truth grew clearer inside Project Icarus. This wasn't communication, it was infiltration. By early October, the Earth's hum aligned perfectly with the comet's pulse. The resonance spread through oceans, crust, and atmosphere. The heartbeat of 3E Atlas had become the heartbeat of our planet. Experts warned that if the synchronization continued, the effects could escalate beyond control. Some believed it was a countdown. Others, a call. What began as a faint blur from another star has become the most terrifying discovery in human history. A machine masquerading as a comet. A red light pulsing with intent. And a planet, ours, now trembling in harmony with something vast and unknown. 3E Atlas is not a visitor. It is a mirror showing us how fragile our understanding truly is. The crimson light beats on, every 84.6 seconds, a cosmic clock ticking toward an event we cannot yet name. Perhaps it's a warning. Perhaps an invitation. Or perhaps,